Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be teaching you a new intraday trading strategy for equity and futures. Yes, so this is a strategy without any indicators. It's very simple and effective, and also I'll be telling you guys how to pick a stock for this strategy also. Yes, so many people have the big question of selecting a stock. Okay, so selecting a right stock for the perfect strategy is very important. So in this video, I'll be telling you how you can pick a stock for this strategy also, and how you can make a correct entry and exit. Okay, so to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay. And also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to a stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. So you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be telling you guys how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the strategy itself. Okay, so guys, for this strategy we will be using NSE India website to pick the stock. So now exactly after the market opens, after 30 minutes after the market opens, you need to check this. Okay, so exactly at 9:45 a.m. you have to visit NSE India website and come to market data and select equity and SME markets. Okay, so once you select this page will load. Okay, and now what you have to do is, here you get the list of stocks. Okay, Nifty 50 stocks will load up here. In this list you have to see the stocks which are having percentage change of 0.50% above and within 1%. Okay, so now if the market is positive, that is if the market is going up, if the market is in plus, you have to select the stocks above 0.50% and within 1% from this green. Okay, that is positive stocks, okay, which are having 0.50% up in a positive way. If the market is down, if the market is in negative, then you have to select the stocks which are in red here, that is minus 0.50% to within minus 1%. Okay, so why I am telling this is because, you know, if a stock is already up by 1% and above, or like the stock is about 2%, that means sometimes the stock will not move further than that. Okay, so there will be a chance of reversal. So to avoid that, I am telling you to pick a stock above 0.50% and within 1%. Okay, so for example, today the market was up. Okay, so that's why the market was in plus, so the market was going up, so that's why picking the stocks which are in an upper trend, that is plus 0.50% and above. Okay, so these are the stocks which are having above 0.50% and within 1%, that is Reliance, okay, and SBIN and Hindalco and Britannia. Okay, so these are the stocks which we selected today. Okay, so now what you have to do is open Hindalco chart, like whichever the stock you have selected. So you get 3 to 4 stocks. Okay, so that doesn't mean that you have to trade on all these 3 to 4 stocks. Okay, so just observe 2 of them which you are comfortable with the pricing. Okay, so for example, your Reliance is like 2318 rupees stock, so if you're not comfortable with that, then you can go with SBIN or Hindalco. Okay, so you can select the stock. So if you want to do in futures, you can do in futures also, the same strategy, nothing will change, so all the procedure will be the same. Okay, so once you select the stock, put 30 minutes candle chart, and once you have selected the 30 minutes candle chart, so mark the first 30 minutes candle high and low. Okay, so once you mark the first 30 minutes candle high and low, what you have to do is, if the high breaks, you will buy, or if the low is breaking, you will short sell. So here in this example, as you guys can see, Hindalco is what we selected, and as you can see, the Hindalco high was 177.4. okay, so 177.50 is where you will enter if it breaks the high. Okay, keep 10 paisa buffer, and as you guys can see here, it broke the high and it went all the way up to 179.35. Yes, so you might be asking what is the target and stop loss to keep. So the better target and stop loss to keep will be around 1% of a target and 0.5% of stop loss, or if you want to be safe, you can keep 0.5% as your target. Okay, so let's check the next stock, what it has happened. So the next stock is SBIN here. So again, you will mark the high of a stock. So let me just mark it. So high of the first 30 minutes candle and the low of the first 30 minutes candle. So here, as you guys can see, the high has not broken, so the low has been broken. You will do a short sell here. So as you can see, the low is 198.65, so you'll keep a 10 paisa buffer below and you will sell it at 198.55 is where you will sell, and as you guys can see, the low made is 197.15, so easily your 0.5% target is achieved here. And now let's talk about Reliance. So again, in the Reliance here, this is the high and this is the low. So the high is 2352.2 and the low is 2305.05, and now as you can see here, the low has got broken here, and as you guys can see, 2286.6 is a low made, so short sell target has been achieved. And to reconfirm your entry is right or wrong, you can take a help of a market depth. Okay, so before you enter at 9:45, before you place an order, just check the market depth how it is. If the buyers are more than the sellers, that means the stock might go up, so wait for the high to break and enter to the buy side. Or if the sellers are more and the buyers are less, then wait for the short sell trade. Okay, so that means the low might break and you can do a short sell trade. So you can just get a reconfirmation from the market depth also. Okay, so just check the market depth. If you're seeing huge difference, for example, let's say 10 lakh of buyers and 8 lakh of sellers, so that means 2 lakh more buyers are more here, so wait for the high to break and enter to a buy side. And 12 lakh of sellers and 8 lakh of buyers, that means sell side are more, so wait for the short sell to happen and wait for the low to break, and then you can take a sell entry. So this is how you can see. And if you are using an old NSE India website also, it is same. Just go to live market and click on equity stock, and there you will get the list. So select the stocks. Okay, it's the same procedure. If the market is in green, that is in an uptrend, select the stocks which are having plus 0.52 within 1% change. Okay, at exactly at 9:45 a.m. and if the market is in minus, if the market is falling down, select the stocks which are having 0.05% down and within 1% down. Okay, so select the stocks, and once you select the stock, put 30 minutes candle stock, that is the first 30 minutes candles. Okay, so wait for the first 30 minutes candle to give a breakout, and once it gives a breakout, you can take a entry on it. Okay, so This is a strategy, and I've been backtesting it for few days, and it is working fine, it is working okay. So if you guys backtest this, and if you guys observe it for a few days, and let me know in the comment section how you're feeling about this strategy and how it's effective for you. Okay, and if you want to learn more accurate strategies like 90 to 95% accuracy strategies, and want to learn how to make money consistently in intraday trading, you can join my course. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So if you like this video and if you like this strategy, do give a like for this video. And so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.